The UAE has introduced a nomination-based Golden Visa for Indians, offering lifetime residency for a one-time fee of AED 1,000,000, eliminating the need for property investment. This initiative targets professionals and individuals contributing to key UAE sectors. In a major shift from its traditional investment-based residency model, the United Arab Emirates, UAE, has introduced a new nomination-based Golden Visa, offering eligible Indians lifetime residency in the country by paying a one-time fee of AED 1,000,000, approximately 23.3 rupees lakh, without the need to invest in property or business. Until now, Indian nationals were eligible for the UAE's coveted Golden Visa program primarily through high-value investments, including a minimum AED 2 million, 4.66 rupees crore in property. But under this new system, applicants can be nominated and approved based on their professional background, societal contributions, or potential benefits to UAE sectors such as culture, trade, science, startups, or finance. Investors who remain committed to the UAE property market, driven by rental yields, lifestyle advantages, or diversification, will now place greater emphasis on fundamentals like location, developer credibility, and long-term value. Luxury and trophy assets will continue to appeal to ultra-HNWs, who are largely unaffected by the new professional-centered criteria. For Indian investors, this is a cue to recalibrate, from residency-led transactions to value-led strategies. Over time, this evolution could establish a more stable, resilient real estate market, one that rewards strategic, long-term participation over short-term speculation. The recent overhaul of the UAE's Golden Visa marks a significant shift in the country's residency landscape. The new framework is more inclusive and strategically aligned with the UAE's long-term vision. For Indian real estate investors, this change brings a two-pronged impact. Historically, property investment was one of the few avenues to secure long-term residency, prompting a surge of interest from Indian investors seeking both capital preservation and immigration benefits. With the visa now accessible through broader channels, the urgency to invest solely for residency purposes is likely to ease, particularly in the mid-market and entry-level segments. This could cool speculative buying and encourage more grounded investment behavior. Approved visa holders can bring family members, employ staff, and engage in business or professional activities. Unlike property-based visas, which lapse upon property sale, the nomination-based Golden Visa is permanent. This initiative reflects the UAE's growing economic and strategic ties with India following the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement (CEPA) signed in 2022. The program is expected to expand to other CEPA partner countries, including China, in later phases. The pilot phase of the initiative has been launched for India and Bangladesh, with over 5,000 Indian applicants.